Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best breaded mushrooms is probably one of the most irresistible appetizers or side dishes you can find, offering a delightful combination of earthy mushroom flavor and a satisfyingly crunchy breading. This video will take you on a journey to discover the crispiest, tastiest breaded mushrooms, helping you make an informed decision on which brand reigns supreme in the world of breaded mushroom snacks, based on factors such as taste, texture, and overall quality. Number 5. Back to the Roots Mini Mushroom Kit. It's completely organic and non-GMO, so you can enjoy delicious mushrooms without worries. Grow it with confidence, knowing it's free from harmful substances. This indoor kit lets you cultivate your own mushrooms anytime. Simply place it near a window, mist it twice daily, and watch them grow. It's incredibly easy. Just open the box, mist it daily, and harvest your own mushrooms in just 10 days. Each box yields multiple servings. It makes a wonderful gift for friends and family who love to cook, garden, or appreciate eco-friendly products. It's beautifully packaged and ready to give. We guarantee it will grow. Plus, share a picture on social media using our campaign hashtag, and we'll donate a kit to a classroom. This kit is made in the USA with high-quality, all-natural ingredients. If you're unsatisfied, contact us for a replacement. What we like? It's 100% organic and super easy to grow, just mist it twice a day. This makes it a unique and thoughtful gift for any occasion. If you're looking for a fun, educational, and delicious activity, you should definitely consider this. What people say. Hands down, the 100% guarantee to grow given by Back to the Roots is legit. The process was easy to follow, and we were amazed at how many mushrooms it produced. The flavor was great, too. They grew pretty big. And sprouted pretty fast. Number 4. ONETANG dried shiitake mushrooms. Introducing premium dried shiitake mushrooms, perfect for adding depth of flavor to your favorite dishes. They rehydrate quickly and are bursting with umami. Our 16-ounce package keeps these mushrooms fresh and flavorful. The vacuum seal extends their shelf life, ensuring quality. These mushrooms require minimal soaking time. They quickly become soft and tender, ready to enhance your culinary creations. These are authentic shiitake mushrooms, carefully selected and harvested at their peak. They're fragrant, rich, and have a thick, meaty texture. They are 100% natural, with no fumigation, sulfur, or artificial additives. Our facility is BRC, ISO 22000, and HACCP certified. Add them to soups, sauces, pasta, risotto, or any dish you desire. Their rich umami flavor will elevate your cooking to the next level. What we like? These dried mushrooms rehydrate in a flash and burst with umami flavor. They're perfect for adding depth to soups, sauces, and more. If you appreciate convenience and intense flavor, this is the one for you. What people say. First of all, 16 ounces of dehydrated mushrooms is a lot of mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms are a very meaty mushroom similar to a portobello mushroom, and are best when cooked. The mushrooms in this package do include the stems. When growing these mushrooms, I always removed the stems as they are very tough. I froze the stems in baggies to be used to add flavor and richness to broths. As for hydrating these mushrooms, would recommend soaking them in cool water, after rinsing, for at least 24 hours to get the best flavor. You can hydrate them in hot water for less time, but the flavor and texture won't be quite as good. The soaking water smells wonderful and is good to use as a mushroom broth. Number 3. ONETANG shiitake mushroom. These shiitake mushroom slices rehydrate quickly, offering a delicious and chewy texture perfect for any dish. Enjoy their rich, savory flavor. It's all about quality. These mushrooms are 100% new crop, naturally grown, and carefully selected to ensure a fragrant and flavorful experience. We keep it simple and pure. They're free of fumigation and artificial additives, produced under strict quality controls to maintain freshness. Our commitment to quality is evident. These shiitake slices are consistently excellent in color and size, produced in a BRC, ISO 22000, and HACCP certified facility. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you're not completely happy, let us know, we're here to help. Please be aware, consuming this product may expose you to chemicals, including lead, known to cause cancer and birth defects. For details, visit www.p65warnings.ca.gov. What we like. These are stemless, dried shiitake mushrooms that rehydrate quickly. They offer a clean, fresh flavor and are perfect for a variety of dishes. If you value convenience and a pure shiitake taste, this is a great option. What people say. Loved how clean these were and so many big slices, soaked some in water and fridge and used them like fresh during a week of dinners. The first thing that struck me when I saw the package was, holy cats. 16 ounces of dried shiitake mushrooms is a lot of mushrooms. The package measures 10.12 inches wide by 14 inches high, and is about 2 inches thick across the middle. It's huge. They have 3 grams or 1% of daily carbohydrates, and 0.5 milligrams or 4% of iron. The freshness date indicated on the bag is July 11, 2025. The sliced version is so much better than the whole dehydrated versions. The convenience of rehydrating fast and already sliced really great, and the taste is excellent. Number 2. MW Polar Sliced Shiitake Mushrooms. These mushrooms offer a unique culinary experience. They're more nutritious than white mushrooms and add a delicious meaty flavor to your favorite dishes. It's packed with nutrients, making it a healthy and flavorful addition to your meals. Enjoy the delicious taste and health benefits. They bring a rich, meaty depth to any recipe. Experience the satisfying texture and umami taste that elevates your cooking. This pack contains 12 4-ounce units, perfect for regular use. It's the ideal size for both home cooks and restaurants. Get 12 4-ounce units in one convenient pack. Stock up and save with this bulk option. From soups and stir-fries to pasta dishes and pizzas, it enhances the flavor of countless recipes. Unleash your culinary creativity. What we like. It has a unique meaty flavor and comes in a convenient bulk pack. It's a great way to add a savory boost to your favorite recipes. If you need a large quantity of high-quality mushrooms, this is your best bet. What people say. Polar's canned shiitake were much more within my budget. I like the quality of Polar's shiitake slices. The shiitake slices themselves were whole slices and not broken up into small pieces. These shiitake slices have a notably meaty texture. We buy by 24 pack case, packed well and always ready to go for Asian fare, gravies. Shelf life is 18 months. Even though imported from China, these mushrooms they're good. Rinse, brine or before eating. Number 1. Concord Tempura Batter. Introducing a delicious and healthy way to enjoy crispy fried mushrooms. It's easy to prepare and packed with flavor. Just mix it with water, dip your favorite vegetables, and fry until golden brown. It's that simple. This batter is perfect for creating crispy, flavorful fried mushrooms and vegetables. Enjoy the wholesome goodness. Use it to coat a variety of vegetables, creating delicious appetizers or side dishes for any occasion. The possibilities are endless. Impress your family and friends with restaurant-quality fried mushrooms made easily at home. It's sure to be a hit. Add a touch of culinary elegance to your dining experience with this irresistible tempura batter. Enjoy the crunch and savory goodness. What we like. This batter makes amazingly crispy fried mushrooms and vegetables with minimal effort. It's incredibly versatile and perfect for a quick snack or a fancy meal. If you love crispy textures and easy recipes, you'll love this. What people say. The mushrooms, bell peppers and bananas came out perfect, absolutely beautiful and delicious plate full of yumminess. It is easy to make. My daughter helped to do it and she really enjoyed it. It has great flavor, and it always makes my French fried foods taste great, and it sticks to the food great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.